What's good? You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. Why you're not gaining weight and how to fix it fast. So I'm gonna tell you 3 things, okay? 3 things you're not doing and 3 things you should be doing, okay? The last one's the most important, so stick to the end for that. I started lifting, I was 14 years old. I was like, yeah, freshman in high school, bro. Like, my main goal was to gain weight, and I thought just working out was just gonna make me gain weight. Like, I thought I was gonna gain weight just by lifting, but no, bro. I kept lifting. I was lifting for like 6 months until I found out that there was a thing called bulking. I thought the whole point of going to the gym was not to gain weight. Like, I thought the whole point of the gym was like you shouldn't be eating a lot, because every time I saw the gym, it's always people trying to lose weight. Like, every time someone talked about the gym, it's always losing weight. So I thought like you're not supposed to eat a lot, and I found out that people purposely eat a lot to gain weight. I'm like, oh, for real? Shoot. But then I started eating a lot. I wasn't gaining weight. I swear I was eating a lot, but I wasn't gaining weight. Every time from the gym, I would come up and step on the scale. It didn't even stay the same. It went down. This shit went down. Then eventually, I kept doing what I'm gonna share in this video with you, and I eventually started gaining weight. I went from being 106 pounds to being 130 pounds in a year. And that's all from muscle eat too. That's from muscle, okay? That wasn't fat. That was not fat at all. That was pure muscle. 30 pounds of muscle. You might be like, oh, 30 pounds doesn't sound a lot, bro. That's a lot of pure muscle. That's a lot. But I'm gonna stop yapping and get straight into the point. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna tell you 3 things, and the last one's the most important, so stick to the end for that. The first one, you're not tracking your macros. You think tracking your calories and what you eat is for fat people trying to lose weight. No, bro, it's the same for us too. We're trying to gain weight. We need to track our calories too. It's not a category, bro. It's like if you're trying to lose weight, you need to track your calories. Like, you need to track what you're eating. Also, if you're trying to gain weight, you need to track what you're eating too, to make sure you're actually eating enough. Me, I swear I was eating a lot. Until I finally started tracking my food, bro. I saw I was eating less than 3,000 calories. I was eating less than 2,500 calories, bro. I swear I was eating a lot, but I was eating less calories than that. You know, until I finally started tracking, bro. I'm like, oh dang, this is what I usually eat in a day. Now I gotta eat more, bro. It's 8 p.m. How am I gonna eat all this, bro? It was 8 p.m. and I had like 1,000 calories left to go, bro. Just think about that, bro. That's probably you right now. You think you're eating a lot, but you're not tracking your food. You think, oh my god, this is only for fat people. I should not be tracking my food. I thought that for the longest. I'm like, that's only for fat people, bro. That's only for people trying to lose weight. I don't need that. But nah, bro, it's for everybody. It's for whatever your goal is. If you're trying to maintain weight, you gotta track your calories too. And I'll be real with you, I ain't tracked my calories in like a year. The first year and a half, I was tracking my calories. Yeah, the first year and a half, like every single day, tracking. Now I just know like what I should be eating to stay in shape. And the only time I really track my calories when I'm trying to gain weight, okay? Like, I'm trying to bulk up. That's when I start tracking my calories. You're a winner who want to take action today. Now it's some dude talking about, I just do that tomorrow. Man, that's only for fat people. I don't need to do that. Nah, bro. If you're a winner, you want to take action today, right now. Download this app called MyFitnessPal. Hey, after this video, keep watching, alright? Hey, you still got more. I don't want you to just click off and you forget what everything I just told you. Whoa. Slow down, bro. The video is not going nowhere, right? This is just a little quick ad break, alright? If you need a custom workout and meal plan with the real accountability, I train men from age 18 to 25-year-old get jacked. And I'm able to help them get jacked through online fitness coaching, alright? If you want to go ahead and check it out, you can click that link in my description. It will be something that says, I'll help you get jacked. And it's just a Google form. Just fill out that form and my team will get to you. But yeah, see? The video ain't going nowhere. Right? Now I'm finna go back. Download the app called MyFitnessPal. It'll help you, bro. It's like I'm not sponsored by them or nothing about it. Nah, but hey, but if they want to give me their money, I'll take it though. Hey, if they want to sponsor me, I'll take it. But I'm not sponsored by them. You download the app, you can put your age, your height, your weight right now, your goal weight, how active you are, and everything. You can even take a picture of the food you're eating, bro. It's OP, okay? You're really trying to gain weight. You're really serious about this, okay? A lot of people say they want it, but they're not serious about it enough to just download an app. They can download TikTok back after this ban, but like they won't download a food tracking app. So just download MyFitnessPal if you're a winner and start tracking food. The second is that you're not drinking enough water. You might be like, oh, water? Bro, I'm trying to gain weight. I need to eat more. No, you also need to drink more too. Yes, it's true, you need to eat more, but you also got to drink more too. Yes, bro. Your body is 70% water. Your body is not 70% food, bro. It's 70% water. Wouldn't it be smart to drink more water? You wonder why you're stuck at a plateau, bro. You're not drinking enough water. Water helps regulate your body, bro. It regulates your digestive system. It helps everything, bro. Just drink a gallon of water a day. That's what you need to be doing. Drink a gallon of water a day to really start seeing results, bro. When I started doing this, bro, my skin got clearer. It's not like the best right now, but it got clearer. My strength went up. My muscles definition, like my size, my muscles got bigger. My strength got strong. Like I got stronger. And I know it might be water weight. Yes, water weight is a thing. When you drink a lot of water, it goes into your muscle. That's what creatine is, okay? When you're taking creatine, you have to drink a lot of water for it to work. And the reason why you have to drink a lot of water for it to work is because that water goes into your muscles. That's all creatine is. It takes water, like, what is that word called? retain water and puts into your muscles. Yes, that's exactly what you should be doing. Why should you drink a gallon of water a day? Fuck. Yeah, I already finished it. Yeah, I finished this yesterday, bro. I was tripping, bro. I'm like, I could have swore I had a whole gallon here, but yeah, I finished that yesterday, bro. Drinking a gallon of water every day, and of course you're not gonna have it like every day. Some days like you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, bro. And some days, of course, you're not gonna finish it, but just aspire to finish it. When I first started, bro, I was drinking. Hold on. This is the only amount I drink. I drink enough to right here, literally, like yeah, right here, and the rest was just water, bro. That's the amount I drink for the whole day. I kept trying to drink a lot. I kept trying, and I finally got it to nothing. Bro, I made a dent. Yeah, I just kept trying, and I finally got it to the point where I'm able to drink a gallon every single day. Right, so you can also do the same too, okay? Just have it next to you, be able to see it, and able to see it around, like literally it's right here. I can see it, bro. I have this right here, bro. I have this right. I can see water everywhere I am. I can see water. When you can physically see it, you gonna drink it, bro. Promise you, when you can physically see it, you're gonna be able to drink it, and it's gonna be really snappy like that. Drink a gallon of water a day. It's gonna help you a lot, bro. Thank me later. The third I said was the most important, bro. You have to decide, bro. If you're really skinny right now, bro, you're gonna have to dirty, bro. Like you always spazzing out right now. You always heard that. Don't dirty, bro. Don't dirty, bro. Bro, when I first started, bro, bro, whatever I could get my hands on, I ate, bro. Like, you're really skinny right now. You don't have time to be lean, bro, and trying to look all sexy and shit. Oh, bro, you gotta choose one side. You gotta be extreme with this, bro. If you're skinny, like, you're just like, I can do this. Oh, I can still do this. Damn. What the fuck was all the years of lifting for then? I can still do this with my wrist. If you're literally skinny, like pinkies, I can do it. If you're skinny, bro, like, you're gonna need to decide right now. Just either you wanna lean bulk, that's gonna take you. I won't even say it. Like, it's gonna take you a while, bro. You're lean bulking your skin. It's gonna take you a while. Unless you have godlike genetics, it's gonna take you a while. So decide right now. You gonna dirty bulk, or you gonna be a lean bulker, trying to be a sexy white boy, trying to get them lean abs, want to stay lean forever, bro. Dirty bulk, bro. Make sure you're lifting weights. So if you're dirty bulking, make sure you're lifting weights too. You're not just eating, bro. Do not miss a day. Go to the gym 5 to 6 days a week, bro. You should be lifting heavy. You should be lifting hard. You should be working hard, bro. You're on a dirty bulk. And when you've been doing it for a while, like 6 months plus, bro, then you can see yourself. You getting a lot of fat. Like, you gonna see that, oh shit, like you don't look that appealing. Then you gotta cut down. Then you'll see the muscles under all that fat. Then you see that you look cute abs. You can sacrifice some abs for some size, okay? You sacrifice your abs for size, you get them back, okay? Whoa, slow down, bro. The video is not going nowhere, right? This is just a little quick ad break, all right? If you need a custom workout and meal plan with the real accountability, I train men from age 18 to 25-year-old get jacked, and I'm able to help them get jacked through online fitness coaching, all right? If you want to go ahead and check it out, you can click that link in my description. It will be something that says I'll help you get jacked, and it's just a Google form. Just fill out that form and my team will get to you. But yeah, see, the video ain't going nowhere. Right? Now I'm finna go back. That's what a lot of the fitness influencers want to tell you, bro. They want to tell you to lean bulk. Lean bulk is bro. If you're really skinny, you're gonna have to like dirty bulk, bro. Like, you have to be extreme with this, bro. Like, and you're fine. It's totally temporary. And a lot of people will be like, oh, bro, I don't want to get diabetes. I don't want to get diabetes, bro. Like, that's not good for me. I'm just gonna be unhealthy, bro. It's temporary, bro. You've been eating worse than, bro. You've been eating way junk food way longer than they did just for 6 months, bro. Like, and don't abuse this either. Don't be abusing this. About, hey, I'm a dirty bulk. Yeah, I can eat whatever. Just still have a limit though, okay? Like, use the calorie tracking app, right, and just see the amount of calories you ate. Don't go over that either. Don't go overboard. Actually know your limit. Dirty bulking is the way to go, bro. I promise you. A lot of people, hey, I be trying to put my friends on, but they don't trying to listen. I'm trying to tell you, bro. You gotta. It's only temporary. You're not doing this for the rest of your life. It's only temporary. You just using it as an excuse so you don't want to eat a lot. Like, you don't want to like put in the work. You just want to. You got addicted to feeling sad for yourself, saying, oh, my metabolism too fast. I can't do it. Oh my god. You enjoy, like, it's to the point where you done it so much you like doing it now. Don't let that be you. Dirty bulk today. And I know a lot of you right now got a lot of limited beliefs. Limited beliefs are like excuses you make for yourself in the back of your mind. Like, there's two parts of your brain. That's the dominant and the submissive. The submissive is the one that give you all this thoughts like, oh, I'm sorry, I can't do that. It's too hard. I won't be able to. All that weak thought. I'm gonna give you some of the things you might be thinking, or it could like be closely related to what you're thinking. I'm just gonna break it down, right? I'm gonna destroy all of them, right? I'm gonna I'm gonna break them all right now. The first one, you keep like, my metabolism is too fast, so no matter what I eat, I won't be able to gain weight. Oh yeah, your metabolism is fast. That's good. Use it to your advantage, bro. Eat whatever the fuck you can. Eat whatever you can get your hands on. Whatever you can get your hands on, eat that and you'll gain weight, bro. Just eat. Drink water, like drink a gallon of water, bro. Like, and track it, bro. Don't go over that calorie amount. Just try your best. Just keep going, bro. You think when I was doing this, it was like quick, bro? You think when anyone was trying to gain weight, it was a quick process, bro? They kept trying and they finally got it. When you keep trying, bro, luck favors the persistent. Luck favors the consistent, persistent, bro. It favors who are trying, who actually want this, who are desperate for it, who will do anything to get it. How bad do you want it? The second limited belief you might be like, I have to eat a ridiculous amount of food and I just don't want to do that. Okay, then you don't want to gain weight. Like, why are you even watching this video, bro? Click off already. What are you watching this for if you're not trying to eat? You have to eat to gain weight, bro. Another limited belief you might have is like, I've tried everything, nothing works for me. Keep trying. If you quit, I tell this to my friends too, and also my clients, like, bro, if you quit, nothing's still gonna happen, bro. You trying right now, nothing happening. If you quit, nothing's still gonna happen. At least if you're trying, there's a chance, there's a possibility something can happen. If you don't do nothing, it's definitely like there's a possibility nothing's gonna happen. Like, it's written in the books, nothing's gonna happen. But unless if you try, you don't know the future, bro. If you keep going, you don't know the future, bro. Like, it's undetermined. You still have a chance if you keep trying. If you don't try, nothing happens. Like, keep trying, bro. Don't give up. Keep going. Another limited belief you might be like, I must be incapable of building muscle. You're human, bro. You can build muscle, bro. You're human. You can build muscle. Just do this yourself, bro. You got muscle on it. Just poke yourself. Like, I can feel the fiber just by doing this. You have muscle, bro. You gotta do it the right way. If you need guidance, then the right workout plan and the right meal plan, bro, click that link in my description. It will be like, I'll get you jacked. Fill out that form and my team will reach out to you within 2 hours and we can talk, me and you, one-to-one. Another limited belief might be like, eating more will make me fat, not build muscle. That's if you're not working out. Simple. That's only gonna happen if you're not working out, bro. You're not doing the right thing. You're not working out. You're not drinking water. You're not exercise. Like, you're just not doing shit. You're just eating, bro. That's the only reason why you gain fat, not muscle. Another limited belief might be like, I need expensive supplements to see results. You don't, bro. You don't need supplements at all. Another limited belief you might be like, if I don't see results immediately, that means I fail. That's not true. Results don't happen overnight. Results don't happen immediately. You need to be persistent and you have to be consistent too. Persistency and consistency. Those are the two things right there. Those C's are all you need. Also, I don't have enough time to cook or eat enough food. Yeah, you might not have enough time. You might have work. You might have school. You might have family. You might have all of this, right? Okay, set aside one day, just one day to meal prep for 7 days. Meal prep for, just set aside one day, like on a weekend or something. This is what I do. Set aside one day on a weekend or something and just make for 7 days. Make meal prep for 7 days. Bring the food with you anywhere. I remember, bro, I'm not lying when I say this. I brought my food to the gym and ate between sets when I didn't have time. Like, right after school, I will walk from school to the gym. Work out for 30 minutes and eat between my sets. Then after that, I will go to work. Eat on my lunch break. Yeah, on my break. Now I didn't even have a lunch break. I had a 15-minute break. Eat on that break. And after work, I'll go back to the gym and also eat in between. I'm not a cap. I'm being so fair when I tell you this, bro. You have to want it bad. Another limited belief you might have is like, gaining weight means I have to eat a lot of junk food. No, it doesn't. You don't have to eat a lot of junk food, but if you want to see like the actual fast result, you gotta eat a lot of junk food. And what do you mean? Eating weight and getting weight means I have to eat a lot of junk food. Don't you already do that? Don't you already eat a lot of junk food, bro? I don't know why you act like it's a problem. You've been doing that since like day one. You've been abusing your metabolism, bro. I don't know why you act like it's a new thing, bro. We know. And this the last but not the least one though. Like, this I can resonate with a lot. You might be like, I have to force feed myself and I don't want to do that. Shit, I didn't want to do that too. But if you have to you feel like you have to force feed yourself, that's only because you're not eating calorie dense meal, bro. The foods you're eating aren't calorie dense enough. There's literally meals that are like the side of this AirPod case that, like, yeah, it's unhealthy, like it's super unhealthy, but it has a lot of calories. It's the size of this AirPod case right here. Like, it's the meal, like, you just gotta, I'm being so forever. There's meals out there like that, but it's just super unhealthy though. And I'll be honest, but that's kind of a you problem, bro. If you really want it, you're gonna have to force feed yourself. You're gonna have to, if you don't have calorie dense meals, you're gonna have to force feed yourself unless you get calorie dense meals. Meals that are small but have a lot of calories in them and a lot of macronutrients. If I could recommend something, bro, I'm not like sponsored by them or nothing, but and again, bro, it's Cooked Unity, bro. It's meal prep service and they are cheap. It's like for like 15 meals, like 16 meals, it's like $110 a week for 16 meals. That's like 3 meals a day. It'll help you, and all of them are calorie dense, bro. Like, I look forward to eating. Whenever I did that, I look forward to eating, bro. It tastes good and it was calorie dense, bro, every time. And when I finished, I wasn't bloated or anything. I was just full in the right amount, just full. I wasn't overly full, and I wasn't still hungry. I was just the right amount. Bro, you should try that. It's called Cook Unity. Damn, bro, spent game after game after game, bro. Hey, if this helped you anyway, bro, but you want a structured plan directly for you, customized for you, press that link in my description and fill out that form. After you fill out that form, my team will reach out to you and we could get started, and I could talk to you one-on-one. That's my one-to-one coach program. It is a paid service, okay? If you're new channel, like, subscribe, press that post notification, comment whatever question you have, I'll respond. It's Saint and I'm out.